Another day here at Tavistock, and in today's video we're going to be heading towards the coast. Today we are going to be going over to one of our favourite places, and that is over to Whitsand Bay, possibly even down to Cawsands, and also maybe down to Kingsands as well. It's another stunning morning here. We've just getting ready, just continuing finishing the showers, and I've just got to go and do the toilet as we're on a service pitch, so obviously we've not got much to do. What I'm going to show you quickly is what we've done with our Colapz Waste Pipes. Well guys, we've made it to Ferry. We're now just sat in the queue waiting to get in onto the ferry. I've probably got maybe one ferry to go. We might get on the next one, might be the one after. Don't know, just haven't heard.
It's a mystery.
Yeah, exactly. But yeah, it's actually warmed up. It's now 21 degrees and here we are. Yeah, really nice. Right, let's hope we can get on the ferry, and I'll show you what it's like. So guys, we're up on Rame Head now. It's very windy up here as we are right on the Rame Peninsula. It's absolutely stunning up here. And we're now going to go up onto, I believe it's called Rame Chapel, which is a bit of a walk. And hope the view is always stunning. Always stunning. There's actually some horses up here to help graze the land at the moment, which is pretty cool. But yeah, not a cloud in the sky. There's actually at the moment 4 warships out in the sea, obviously from Devonport Dockyard, which is just in Plymouth. And yeah, there's a few people diving on boats, a few people on, you know, smaller sailing boats, a few people out fishing. Yeah, just having a nice time. The sea is beautiful today. It's so calm and so clear as well, which is always quite nice. So guys, we've made it down to Cawsands and to Kingsands, and now we've just come down the coast a little bit from Rame, and now we're going to go and just get the parking ticket, and we will now go and probably have an ice cream and have a walk along the coast. So come along with us. And now guys, we've come a little bit further back on the coast to Portwrinkle, where you can, as in the name, get winkles and whatever they're called.
Pretty much it's the same.
Port. Bottles of port.
Yeah.
Bottles of port and wrinkles. You can get wrinkles here.
No, you can get wrinkles.
If you've had too much sun.
Brilliant.
Yeah?
Yeah.